We built this wood deck with a cable railing system that's easy to install, affordable, and designed for wood decks. It's the RailFX Express Mount Bracket system, and here's how to use it. This deck has a 36-inch rail, so we cut 8 inches off one end of the drilling template. Keep in mind, this gives it a top and a bottom. At the end posts, clamp the drilling template a ½ inch back from the center of the post. This is to hide the hardware behind the post. You'll also quickly figure out that your bar clamp should project towards the field of the deck, not towards yo face. Note the rail cap assembly. It's a 2x4 between the posts under a 2x6 top cap. No bottom rail necessary. So while Teresa installs the intermediate post mount, what we discovered is that to get the center of the bracket in the center of the post, we had to measure over from one side 1 3/4 inches so that everything aligns. That takes the template, kicks it out maybe 1/4 inch past the edge of the post. Details! Then one screw, but not all the way. For corner posts, the corner post brackets essentially template. You snug the first screw up, send the second one home, and go back and send the first one home. This is the threaded stud spacer. Sleeve it into the end post bracket. Note, this comes up again later. Start installing cable at the end posts. At the corners, horseshoe the cable through the corner brackets, then snug up. To end the run of cable railing, sleeve the pull lock hardware onto the cable and insert it into the end bracket, then yank tight. Using a standoff block I made and locking pliers, pre-tension the cable. Back at the end posts, tighten the threaded fittings. There is a tightening sequence from the center up and then down. Then up and then down again. Finally, add caps.
Snap fit.
RailFX sends an abrasive grinder wheel, ostensibly for a cordless drill. I couldn't get it to work, but the Dremel was all day for cutting the cable ends. The RailFX layout at the stair transition had us flummoxed for a bit, but once we got it, the solution is elegant. The stair angle offsets the horizontal cable runs just enough that it all works and looks slamming. This is the washer and the nut that we pre-thread onto the threaded stud spacer. This is also me being totally insufferable to my wife. Look at that! Nice! The stair angle, this is also called the rake angle, must be transferred to the bracket. Like all instructions, and why I'm in this business, is they tell you what to do, but not how or why. I found the stair angle, 37 degrees, and made a gauge I could line up the bracket against. Easy and peasy. I used my tape to set the first bracket, then used the RailFX template for the rest. And that's it, an easy cable railing system for wood decks.